How to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat 2025. Remove or change your avatar. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Snapchat tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to delete or remove your Bitmoji on Snapchat in 2025, or change it if you no longer want to use the current avatar. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the Bitmoji option, then tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Unlink My Bitmoji. Tap on it and confirm when Snapchat asks you to verify. Once you confirm, your Bitmoji will be completely removed from your Snapchat account. Your profile will no longer show any avatar. If you don't want to delete it completely and just want a new Bitmoji, you can choose Create New Bitmoji instead and design a fresh avatar. Pro tip: unlinking your Bitmoji does not delete your Snapchat account or chats. It only removes the avatar. You can always add a new Bitmoji later. To summarize, profile icon, settings, Bitmoji, unlink my Bitmoji, and you're done. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and comment below if you want a guide on creating a new Bitmoji in 2025.